Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website step by step, so watch the full video. To add backlink in this website, firstly go to Google and search OpenStreetMap. Then click on the link. Then click on sign up. Then put your email address, confirm the email address and write a display name. Write your business name or website name. Then write a password. Then confirm the password. Then click on sign up. Now click on rest of the world. Check this box. Click on continue. They sent a verification email, so check your email and confirm it. Click on the link. Now your email is verified. Now click on your name, my settings, here you can add your backlink, but you need to use HTML tag. Use this format like href, then put your link, then write the keyword here. This is HTML link. Use the format like this. Then click on preview. Then you can see that backlink is added here. Now scroll down. Click on save changes. Now you can see that your information is successfully updated. Now to see your backlink, click on return to profile. Here you can see that your backlink is added here. This way you can add backlink in this website. If you face any problem, then write in the comment box. I'll give you answer. Now if I click on the link, it will redirect to my website. This way you can add backlink in this website. If you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. If you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. And you will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if the video is helpful to you, then share it to your friends or Facebook. And if you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp.